In today's class, we are going to discuss about disorders of overnutrition. The overnutrition also leads to some of the disorders like hypercholesterolemia, obesity, hypervitaminosis A, hypervitaminosis D, fluorosis. So let us see how the overnutrition causes these disorders and what are the symptoms. The first disorder is hypercholesterolemia, and this is because of the excess nutrient like saturated fats. So when this saturated fat is excess in our body, it leads to the symptoms called high blood pressure, coronary thrombosis, heart attack. The second disorder of overnutrition is obesity. This is because of the excess nutrients and food calories in sugar, honey and ghee. The symptoms we can notice during the obesity is fat deposition, overweight, high blood pressure, diabetes and heart ailments. The third disorder of overnutrition is hypervitaminosis A, and this hypervitaminosis A is because of the excess nutrient of vitamin A, and because of this excess vitamin A in the body leads to lack of appetite, sparsity of hair, itching, rashes, painful swellings over long bones. The fourth disorder is hypervitaminosis D. The excess vitamin D causes this disorder. The symptoms of this is deposition of calcium in soft tissues. The fifth one is fluorosis. This is because of excess deposition of fluorine, and the fluorine quantity leads to the mottled teeth. And these are all the few disorders of overnutrition. Thank you. Have a healthy life.